ଆପଣ କହିବେ। So as a book three ପଢିବା ତାର heading ଅଛି media and entertainment. The first unit, unit one, the media. If you have got all the books with you, so it is an age of media revolutions. So the term media covers both print and electronic media, and which acts as the means of mass communication. So I don't think you should be simplified with the term media, because all the things that are there with the newspapers, magazines, radio, TV, mobile phone, internet, all include your media. And the thing is, we very often think of news items dealing with politics, economic affairs, whatever the information that we have to get through media are your politics, economics, then wars, crime, and your entertainment, movies, etc. So this topic, I think this unit will fascinate you a lot about the thing, and we should begin with the comprehension phases. A beautiful news article, page number 6. In the news, 19th January 2006, NASA scientists proved that the third time is the lucky charm for their 700 million dollar unmanned mission to Pluto. You see, it's a very beautiful scientific topic. Uh, 2 or 3 days doesn't mean what I want to say in this particular paragraph to tell you about. As you go through the lines, you will find the space agency plan to make a third attempt to launch New Horizons probe on Thursday, a day after storm knocked out power at the Maryland-based laboratory that will command the mission. As you go through the lines, simultaneously when we are going for the comprehension passages, read the passages first time to get to go for the skimming. As I told you that you should do the skimming first. That means have a quick look about what the topic is. As I read the two lines, the topic you might have known that the topic is about a scientific topic, and it is about NASA's mission, unmanned mission to Pluto. So, as you go through the lines, in between the lines, as you scan for necessary information, read the questions over there. One question, suppose the first question, what led to a power failure in the laboratory? Now, as you are till now, in this particular paragraph, we do not have the lines. Maryland knocked out power at the John Hopkins University Applied Physics Laboratory, and mission managers were way of launching the spacecraft without backup power at the facility. The air conditioning was off, the flight controllers were sitting there wiping sweat, said Alan Stein, the mission's principal investigator. High winds, because see, high winds at the launch pad also kept the spacecraft from lifting off on Tuesday. Winds in the Orlando area were expected to be at 16 km per hour to 24 km per hour. So the point is, the first question you will find that what led to a power failure at the laboratory. It is written that day after a storm knocked down the power at Maryland-based laboratory that will command the mission. Strong winds in Laurel, Maryland knocked out power at the John Hopkins University Applied Physics Laboratory. So when you read a comprehension passage, you read the passage first time as a skimming to get what the topic is, and then definitely for the second reading will be or should be again, if I can say, it is to go for necessary information. You do what? You do scanning there, and as I gave you one example, that read the question and go for the necessary portion from where you think or you may get the answer to that particular question. As you go through the lines, you will find, and at the end of the chapter, the answer is written. But you should not copy the answer from the very beginning. Rather, you try your best to go for the answers and then check it with the answers given at the back. In that way, you will be able to use your word structure, your sentences to answer the question. This is what we call comprehension passage. Comprehension, the word is a noun. It has come from the word comprehend. Comprehend means to know, to understand. So all comprehension passages aim at how beautifully you understand a thing. If you clearly understand the things, then you will be able to go for the true and false concept, and then what you will do is quite uh, easy at home. You can answer it. You will remember the things over there. It is not a fact that you listen and you forget, but because you have to sit for exams, or these are the things that you come across every day in daily life even, so you need to be informed. Now, based on that particular thing, we will go for the vocabulary over here, assessing sites. इटा आपण मन पई भारी नुवा कथाटी नुवा एटा आपण मन समस्त करूचंती नेट रे बसचंती विभिन्न ये रे फेसबुक ट्विटर इंस्टाग्राम लिंक्डइन ए जो जो गुडा अछि यार डेफिनेशन अछि काम अछि एटा आपण मन पई निजे करि पर आजकल रो पिलवन जदि एटा जानु नहंती बोली कहबा ताल तो कहि परबा नै जे माने बि करूचंती तो सेटा को तथापि हमें जेमति कर हेछि फर्स्ट गोटे पेज अपन दिया हेछि जनरली हम जेमति लिंक खोजो को जाउछु सो सीधा सड़क पेज नंबर 8 रे अछि से कांसेप्ट देखा जाओ व्हाट इज सोशल नेटवर्किंग. सोशल नेटवर्किंग रेफर टू सोशल मीडिया. आपण बुझंते पर्यंत हम जो फर्स्ट चैप्टर रे पैराग्राफ टी सुनले सेटा गोटे न्यूज़ रिपोर्ट थिला एंड द हेडिंग ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर यूनिट इज द मीडिया. सो मीडिया network of social media encompasses, again a phrase, again a verb, encompass, surrounds many internet-based tools that make it easier for people to listen, interact, engage, and collaborate with each other. Social networking platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, blogs, message boards, Wikipedia, and countless others are catching on like wildfire. It's a phrase, catching something like wildfire. That means जमती हमें कुछ वाइल्ड फायर बणरे लागले निया जमती शीघ्र शीघ्र व्यापी जाए सेमती वाइल्ड फायर मींस इट इज गेटिंग मोमेंटम एंड पॉपुलैरिटी. बहुत शीघ्र शीघ्र माने लोकप्रिय होबा को जाउची. बहुत लोक ता भितरे फॉलोअर्स अछंती. ई को जो सब नाम गुडा आपण माने पढलेबा हम जानि छु जनरली जो करूछु सेटा समस्त किछि ना किछि बाटे कोनोसी ना कोनोसी बाटे सोशल नेटवर्किंग संगे अटैच्ड अछंती. सो पीपल यूज सोशल नेटवर्किंग टू शेयर फोटोस. एठी में हमें कोन पई सोशल नेटवर्किंग हम व्यवहार करबा. So people use social networking to share photos, ideas, recipes, and to keep friends updated on our lives. You can use social networking tools from mobile devices such as smartphones as easily as from a PC or laptop. It is quite easy a concept for people. By its very nature, social networking is interactive. आमे पर्यंत जहा कथै अछि जेमति कहूचे जे सोशल नेटवर्किंग बाय नेचर इज इंटरैक्टिव. सो यू कैन टेल एनीवन. इंटरैक्टिव रो मीनिंग पड़ी अछि. तो इंटरैक्टिव रो मीनिंग हम या कहि परबा यू कैन टेल एनीवन that you want to talk to, and that wants to listen to you anything about your opinions, experiences, and vice versa. सेपटे जे लोक अछि जा संगे आपण शेयर करछथि से लाइक करबो, से कमेंट करबो, आपण एपटु किछि कहबे, से भी सेपटु तार किछि फोटो ये करबो. दिस इज व्हाट वी कॉल इंटरेक्शन और कम्युनिकेशन. सो कम्युनिकेशन मीडिया, प्रिंट मीडिया, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया ये कोन करछि ने इंटरेक्शन और सोशलाइजेशन को बढ़ाइ छै. हम मने थिबा प्रमाण करछि हम तो फर्स्ट आरंभ करथिले एज बिकॉज़ वी आर सोशल बीइंग्स, सो वी रिमेन इन ए सोसाइटी एंड वी कैन सिट एट. The very nature of human being is to share, is to talk, is to converse, or is to interact. And वर्तमान समय रे मॉडर्न टाइम्स रे ये जो सोशल मीडिया अछि, सोशल नेटवर्किंग अछि, ये भारी शीघ्र गोटे बण निया भले वाइल्ड फायर भले व्यापुची. अर्थात लोक माने बहुत संख्या रे सेथरे जोड़ी होउछंती ଏବଂ ଆପଣ ଜାଣୁଛନ୍ତି ଜେନେରାଲି ଯେ ଏଥିରେ ଯୋଡି ହେବା ପାଇଁ ମାଧ୍ୟମ ଗୁଡିକ ହେଲା ଆପଣ ପିସି ବା पर्सनल कंप्यूटर ରେ କରି पारुଛନ୍ତି लैपटॉप जरिए କରି ପାରିବେ ବା स्मार्टफोन जोड़ा आजकल समस्त हाथ रे धरुଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ସେଥିରେ କରିପାରୁଛନ୍ତି ତ ଆମେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଯୋଉଗୁଡାକ ଯିଏ ଯୋଉଟା କରୁଛି ସେଟା କଣ ଜିନିଷଟି ଆମେ ଜାଣିବାନି ମୁଁ ଯେମିତି କହିଲି ଯେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନର ଆମେ ଯୋଉ ଇଂଲିଶ କୋର୍ସଟି ହାତରେ ଧରିଛୁ ସେ ଇଂଲିଶ କୋର୍ସରେ ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ around the world around you ଆପଣ ନିଜ ଚାରି ପାଖର ପୃଥିବୀକୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ସହିତ ଯୋଡେଇ ଦେବା ପାଇଁ ଲାଙ୍ଗୁଏଜ with the help of English language ଆପଣ ମାନେ ଆମେ ସମସ୍ତେ ଗୋଟେ inner fear ରେ ଅଛୁ English is a very difficult language and କେବଳ ଖାଲି prose poetry non-detail ବା grammar ଏମିତି କଥାରେ କୁହାଯାଇ ପାରିବ बट आम बर्तमान पर्यंत जो ये 4 नंबर दिन आम आरंभ कर कलेज गुड़ाक देखुचे आम जहाँ सब कर एवरीडे एस्पेक्ट को लेकर कराई बर्तमान समय सबुठ गोटे बड़ कथा जमी ब्लग्स कार समस्त ब्लग अच्छी ट्विटर अकाउंट आजिकल अच्छी फेसबुक आम यूज करुचु बट विदाउट being able to give the definition फेसबुक कहले कौन इट सीधा सड़क देखो फेसबुक इज ए पॉपुलर फ्री सोशल नेटवर्किंग website that allows registered users to create profiles, upload photos and videos, send messages and keep in touch with friends, family and colleagues. गोटे वर्क प्लेस रे काम करथवा लोक मन को कलीग्स व सहकर्मी कहि परबा तो से मन को संगरे ए जो शेयरिंग करबाटा मन जोटा करूचंती थियोरेटिकली कांसेप्ट इंग्लिश इज नॉट वेरी डिफिकल्ट ए कांसेप्ट इट माने कथा होची कहिबाटा जो जिनसटी हम करूछु सीटा सीधा सळक भाबरे हम कहबा को चाहबे जो विथ द हेल्प ऑफ ए लैंग्वेज we people are interacting and this is all about interaction so it गुड़ाई जिनसर लिंक्डइन एपटे फोटो सहित डाटा अच्छी आपण मन पाखरे बही ये अच्छी आपण देखंतु जो गुडा को जो इडियम्स अच्छी मेसेजिंग ये रे मीनिंग्स ऑफ द इडियम्स इट जोडा को हम देखिले जेंती ये कली जो जोडे कहलु माने कैच लाइक स्प्रेडिंग लाइक वाइल्ड फायर सेमती किछि इडियम्स अच्छी पैसेज रे यूज हेची जहार मीनिंग्स अच्छी टेल बिट लैम गोइंग जे अपन माने एटा तो पढी परिबे भारी कॉमन प्लेस कथा पढी के हम टाइम वेस्ट करबने जो जो जगह रे अपन को एक्जेक्टली प्रॉब्लम्स होतबो जेटा माने टिके सपोर्ट अपन को जोंठी दरकार होतबो मु केवल सेही जगह गुडा को डिस्कस करबी एवं लेटर ऑन जो तोला हम क्वेश्चन आंसर सेशन को जिबा जदि अपन को किछि स्पेसिफिक क्वेश्चन अछि रिगार्डिंग द matter that we are discussing now so you can ask with reference to your page numbers so अपन देखंतु एटी चेक योर प्रोग्रेस टू जोटा अछि इडियम्स अछि तार मीनिंग अछि catch like wildfire फर्स्ट जोटा कहछि catch like wildfire that means जोटा में कहि परबा कोन getting momentum to circulate or determine very quickly माने सीधा सड़क शीघ्र शीघ्र व्यापी जिबा सर्कुलेट हो जिबा सेटा अछि catch like fire having green fingers और गेस करि परिबा हम गोटे मीनिंग हम गोटे नुवा पैसेज पढले सब बेले हम पकरे डिक्शनरी नथिबो बा सब बेले गोटे मीनिंग बही बा गोटे सपोर्टेड माने गाइड बुक बा गाइड टीचर इवन न थाई परंती तो हम गोटे गेस करे जाय परिबो हैविंग ग्रीन फिंगर्स जेटा कहउची ग्रीन ग्रीन कहले ऑब्वियसली ट्रीज मन को रिलेटेड कांसेप्ट अछि तो हैविंग ग्रीन फिंगर्स कहले गार्डनिंग को बुझउची इट इज मॉडर्न टाइम्स सब गोटे बड़ हॉबी प्राय पॉपुलर हॉबी अछि जोथरे एबे आसीबो पुणी जो वीक स्टार्ट बागो की जोटा जेमति वे वन महोत्सव रो yes of creating forests is the need of the day to substantiate global warming तो सेमति गुड एट गार्डनिंग को हमें फ्रेज रे जो फ्रेज देछि भलो फ्रेज मन पे यूज करि परिबे जोटा हैविंग ग्रीन फिंगर्स देन कॉट रेड हैंडेड इटा डिस्क्राइब करबा दरकार नै अपन समस्त बहुत थोड़ा यूज करछन तो रेड हैंडेड ओनली अर्थात व्हेन someone is doing something wrong and he has been caught जेतबेले ताको धरि परुछ हम जेतबेले से रंग कामटी करूछि सेतबेले होछि ताको हम कहि परबा कॉट रेड हैंडेड एट द 11th hour at the 11th hour means suppose 4 बजे कहैछि तो 4 बजे जे पहुंचला ठीक 4 बजे पहुंच 3 मिनट आगु पहुंचबा 5 मिनट आगु पहुंचबा पंक्चुअलिटी को देखुछि हम जे 4 5 4 3 माने 4 5 साल पर भी पहुंचछु 11th hour माने लास्ट मोमेंट रे जोटा कहछु लेटेस्ट पॉसिबल टाइम जोटा अछि शेष मुहूर्त रे 11 चरम अंतिम क्षण कहि परबांती जे कहछु सो आपण मन पे देखु एते गुडा जे कथा हम कहली जेंति ब्लॉग कथा ट्विटर
Sir, we can't hear you, sir.
ସାର୍ କୁଆଡ଼େ ଗଲେ ସବୁ?
ସାର୍ ନାହାନ୍ତି ବୋଧେ କୁଆଡ଼େ ଗଲେ ମେ ବି ଏଠି କିଛି ଦେଖଉନି ସାର୍ଙ୍କର ଲିଙ୍କ।
ସାର୍ ୱାସରୁମ୍ ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି ବୋଧେ।
भाई बहन कुछ दिखा था मेरे।
Hello. Okay.
हाँ सर
Page 11 को आसबे एथरो स्पीकिंग इंडिकेटिंग योर प्रेफरेंसेस आपनकर बेसिस रे हमें देखु गुडाए आजिकली गुडाए टीवी चैनल्स अछि एथरे किछि एग्जांपल्स अछि डिस्कवरी नेशनल जियोग्राफिक हिस्ट्री चैनल फैशन टीवी एनडीटीवी बीबीसी न्यूज एनिमल प्लैनेट स्टार स्पोर्ट्स एचबीओ सोनी एंड countless before you cn abp news and now you have to choose
सर पेज नंबर
this page number 11 12
थैंक यू सर
there are the numbers you will have to go for the preferences you see some of you may like and some of you may not like or you may not viewing so the thing is now you have to give your preferences why do you like a channel what extra what benefit that you are watching by that particular channel what benefit do you get from that the questions are there don't make a big comment it's clearly written don't make a big comment it is interesting it is nice but when you say I like something means you suggest that why do you like that
कौन क्लास बंद ହେଇଗଲା ନା କଣ?
କ୍ଲାସ୍ ଚାଲୁଛି।
so आपण मान को कोन करे पड़िबो एथरे गोटे प्रेफरेंस जेतले देबे से प्रेफरेंस रे आपण आपनकर लाइकिंगनेस देबे कि गोटे बैक कमेंट देबे नै माने कोन डेफिनेटली गोटे दी लाइन पछे हो किंतु one or two lines रे you have to write it that what fascinates you what attracts you or why you are attracted to that particular channel so again we will go for one newspaper report another newspaper report of another style where personal involvement is there. Headline is protesters arrested, army called out. We read one newspaper report from NASA based on NASA, but now you see this particular news report at page number 13 is about one's personal experience, personal involvement. It is written in first person account. As I walked down to the town hall, I could hear sounds of shouting, gunfire, sirens and police vehicles. There was a massive crowd protesting against the arrest of their local leader and demanding his release. Protesters began to throw stones at the police, who prevented them from proceeding towards the hall, where the mayor was giving a speech. Soon, the scene turned ugly as the police brushed tear gas shells and finally restored to opening fire. See, this is a news item where where the reporter who is reporting the event has got his personal involvement, and it is that is why it is written in past person account as I walk through. Now, as usual, we come to the grammar portion of this particular unit. Herein, as we are discussing the basic grammar formats that are used in this particular unit, is about present perfect and present perfect continuous. The present perfect is the verb form that tells us that the action has started sometime earlier than the speaking time. It continues up to sometime in the speaking time and then completes by the time of speaking. Which has a link up to the present. The result extends up to a up to now. That means, suppose I can if I'm using the term, I can say I have taken my lunch. The lunch time is over, so I have taken my lunch. That means if somebody offers me some lunch now, whatever sumptuous lunch it is, but I am not in a position to eat. So the period that extends up to now is that you no more require or interested or even can take a lunch now. The speaker who speaks that I have taken my lunch, that means he is in no way interested to have another lunch. But the perfect continuous, present perfect continuous, as the term, as the name suggests, so it has both the things. One, perfect means it started from for some time and is continuing at the time of speaking. ଯେମିତି ସେମାନେ ଘଣ୍ଟାଏ ହେଲା ଖେଳି ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି, ସେମାନଙ୍କର ଖେଳିବା ଘଣ୍ଟାଏ ଆଗରୁ ଆରମ୍ଭ ହୋଇଛି, ଘଣ୍ଟାଏ ହେଇଗଲାଣି ଏବଂ ସେମାନେ ଏବେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଶେଷ କରିଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି, ସେମାନେ ଆଗକୁ ଆଉ 5-10 ମିନିଟ ଖେଳି ପାରିବେ। ଏଭଳିଆ ସେନ୍ସ ବୁଝେଇଲେ ଆମେ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ପରଫେକ୍ଟ ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରେସିଭ ଫର୍ମ ବା ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ପରଫେକ୍ଟ କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁଅସ୍ କୁ ବ୍ୟବହାର କରିବା, ଯୋଉଥିରେ ଦିଟା ଯାକ ଜିନିଷ ରହିବ, ପରଫେକ୍ଟ ର ସିମ୍ବଲ ରହିବ, ହ୍ୟାଭ ବା ହ୍ୟାଜ ରହିବ ଏବଂ ଆଇଏନଜି ଫର୍ମ ବା ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରେସିଭ ଫର୍ମ ର ଚିହ୍ନ ରହିବ, ଭର୍ବ ଆଇଏନଜି ରହିବ ଏବଂ ତାକୁ ଲିଙ୍କ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଆମେ ବି ଇଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଯୋଡ଼ିବା। So they have been playing, they have been swimming, they have been talking, we have been listening, etc. are some sort of examples of present perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous form रे दीटा जक जिंस रहइबो जे से कामटी कहिबार किछि समय पूर्वरु आरंभ होइतिबो, कहबा मुहूर्त पर्यंत गतिशील थिबो ଏବଂ ता परे कामटी आ किछि समय चालू रहइबो, सेमति हेले प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटीन्यूअस हमें लगेइबा। जदि सेठी कामटी सरला किन तार रिजल्ट वर्तमान पर्यंत अछि, सेतबेला हमें प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट लगेइबा। जो प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट लगेइबा सेटा सब्जेक्ट संगे हैव किबा हैज आउ V3 बा पास्ट पार्टिसिपल वर्ब रे यूज होबो। किछि एक्सरसाइज जदि हम करबा ताले सेटा सहज रे बुझी परिबा। तो जोटी अछि चेक योर प्रोग्रेस 6, तो माय कजिन्स एटा में जनरली कोन करि परिबा, बिल्ड अछि तो फॉर नियरली 1 ईयर, एटा होछि क्लू जे प्राय नियरली तो उडे रे कहले हम नियरली कहले हम प्राय वर्ष हेबो से माने घरटी तयारी करि आछुंती, तांको घर तयारी काम एबे भी चालू रहछि। तो सेटा हम कहि परिबा जे माय कजिन has been building his house for nearly 1 year, प्राय वर्ष हेला मोर कजिन तांकर घर तयारी करि आछुंती। किंतु very second sentence को जिबा, we have finished our breakfast and are ready to leave. We have finished, से माने तांको ब्रेकफास्ट टाइम ओवर हेलानी, से माने ब्रेकफास्ट से टाइम रे खाई सारी छथि। सेमति सेकंड टाको थर्ड ये रे भी थर्ड रे हम परफेक्ट ही लगेबा, she has repaired her bike, it is ready to be used। से जे तो रिपेयर करि आछि तर आरपट सेंटेंस जोटा अछि, जोटा वर्ब रो जो ब्रैकेट रे अछि, तापर जो सेकंड सेंटेंस गुला अछि देखो तो एंड रेडी टू लीव बा इट इज रेडी टू बी यूज्ड, एडा होछि रिजल्ट दैट एक्सटेंड्स अप टू नाउ। स्पीकिंग टाइम बेले रिजल्ट जोटा एक्सटेंड करूछि सेटा होछि से फॉर्म रो कांसेप्ट।
My grandfather has a bake cake. He has been watering the platforms in he's been watering the plants since morning. ସେ ସକାଳରୁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଦେଇ ଆସୁଥିଲେ ତେଣୁ ତାଙ୍କ ଅଣ୍ଟା ପେନ୍ ହେଉଛି ବେକ୍ ହେଉଛି ପେନ୍ଟା ହେଇ ଆସୁଛି ଯେହେତୁ ସକାଳରୁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ପାଣି ଦେଇ ଆସୁଥିଲେ ଓଭର ଏ ପିରିୟଡ଼ ଅଫ୍ ଟାଇମ୍ ଏବଂ ସେ କାମଟି କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁ କରୁଛି. So the roads, it will say the roads are full of water. It has been raining since yesterday. गला काली ठाରୁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଏକ୍ସପ୍ରେସନ ଟାଇମ୍ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ବର୍ଷାଟା ହେଇ ଆସୁଛି. ଏ ସବୁ ଲାଇନ୍ସ ଯୋଉଡା ଦିଆ ହେଇଛି ସେ ଲାଇନ୍ସ ରେ ଆପଣ ସେଇ ଭଳିଆ ଭାବରେ କଥା ହେଲେ ମାନେ ଯେମିତି ଆମେ କହୁଛୁ ସେମିତି କଥା ହେଇକି ଆମେ କରିପାରିବା. ଏଇ ଫର୍ମ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଆମେ ଦିଟା ଲଗେଇବା ସିନ୍ସ ଗୋଟେ ଡେଫିନାଇଟ ପିରିୟଡ଼ ଅଫ ଟାଇମ୍ ପାଇଁ ସିନ୍ସ ହବ ସିନ୍ସ yesterday ଯେମିତି ଅଛି କିନ୍ତୁ for 2 days for ଲଗେଇଲେ indefinite time period ଟା ମାନେ ଫିକ୍ସ ନଥାଏ ଆମ ପାଇଁ বা ସ୍ପେସିଫିକ ଦିଆ ଯାଇ ନଥାଏ ସେଥିପାଇଁ for 2 days but since yesterday. Now next जो पार्ट अछि ସେଥିରେ ଆଉ କିଛି सोशल नेटवर्किंग ର डेफिनेशंस दिया है पेज 17 रे. एंड नेक्स्ट आउ गोटे कांसेप्ट पर हम आसीबा बटन यूनिट 2 को आसीबा अपन मन पई आउ गोटे भलो जिंस जोटा हम नेट रे खोजिचु बा खोजि के जिबे माने एठी गोटे नुवा जिंस जानिबे वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग दैट इज द फ्लोटिंग मार्केट ऑफ थाईलैंड. अपन मन समस्त वर्तमान पर्यंत जानि चंती मार्केट ता गोटे बसुची गोटे जगह रे किछि स्थायी मार्केट अछि जोटा सब दिन खोला होची डेली मार्केट पड़े आउ किछि मार्केट अछि जोटा सप्ताह रे निर्दिष्ट दिन रे संडे वेडनेसडे एंती बसुची किंतु गोटे निर्दिष्ट जगह अछि ओ सेतरे से जे बसुची हमें जाउछु किणुछु आनि पकुछु किंतु एठी जो कथाटी आपन कुहा जिवो विथ फोटो जोटा दिया हेची सेटा होची थाईलैंड रो फ्लोटिंग मार्केट. अर्थात थाईलैंड जदी केतबेला आपन बुलियो जिबे बार करि परिबे जो फोटो दिया हेची पेज नंबर 21 रे जेमति डंगारे देखुचंती बाजारटा सेमति डंगारे बसथिबो लोक माने डंगारे ही बिकुथिबे जे किनिबा लोक से भी डंगारे जिवो ଏବଂ डंगारे किनि कि आनि. It's very interesting a concept for you people but the संग्रे अछि अरे मजादार कथाटे जे सीटा से माने केमति करि पउचंती इन एवरी कंट्री मार्केट्स of different kinds exist. Amore India ro market kotha kuha is example re in India for example one can see the post shopping areas and multi-storied malls on the one hand and the small weekly bazaars amar saptahic jo bazaar boschi jemti to Thailand re ye re habo jo photo ta apan mane dekhile to tapore ame aru buchba dekho page number 82 re achi kothati. These floating markets are called Talat Nam in Thai. These are made up of large clusters of goods, which serve the purpose of both sales counters and transport vehicles for the farmers who gather here to sell their wares, मतलब articles. सामान पत्र माने एवरी मॉर्निंग प्रत्येक दिन सकाळ हेले एंड सकाळे आपण माने इमेजिन करतो केते सकाळ आरंभ होबो से मार्केट बाय 4 am भोर 4टा से मार्केट आरंभ हुए और दिन 12टा सुधा दे ऑल गो टू रिटर्न बैक वंस अगेन. एटा ट्रेडिशनल कांसेप्ट से माने समस्त पण गोटे ब्लू ड्रेस पिंधिकरी प्राय आस्तांती जोटा ट्रेडिशनल फार्मर्स मन को ड्रेस थाईलैंड रे इतरे लिखा है पैराग्राफ रे. These marketers give a glimpse of last part of the these markets give one a glimpse झलक गोटे झलक अपन मन को देखैबो जदि अपन मन के सुयोग पाइबे बा जदि ये रे जो नेटवर्किंग साइट पे जाई के हम जदि देखिबा तो दिस मार्केट्स गिव वन a glimpse of traditional way of life in Thailand. Looking at them one can imagine how daily life must have been in earlier times. वर्तमान टिके मॉडर्नाइजेशन हेलानी हम समस्त लाइफ सब स्टाइल रे किंतु सेटा को देखिले हम जानि परबा जे फार्मर्स माने केमते एकदम सकाळे अर्ली मॉर्निंग 4-4 से माने आसी जानती एंड टूरिस्ट माने फोटो निश्चय भाव उठिबा को जाती एमती केही टूरिस्ट नाही जे थाईलैंड जाईची हम ए जो फ्लोटिंग मार्केट्स रो किनि नाही किसी फ्लोटिंग मार्केट्स तांगर फिक्स माने डेली मार्केट भलिया सब दिन बसुची आ किछि अछि माने फॉर द टाइमिंग बा दिने 2 दिन पई एमती बसुची. The boats are laden with the produce from the nearby orchards and community farms. There are a wide variety of tropical food, flowers and vegetables and they offer a very colorful sight. For the tourists, you'll find towards the middle of the second paragraph it is written, for the tourists there are baskets of baskets. They actually follow the traditional barter system, but for tourists can buy with buy for money. So tourists throng means come in large numbers, throng to the markets coming from the cities by bus. The most popular floating market is Rajbari province, about 101 kilometers from Bangkok, the capital of Thailand. Bangkok too has a few floating markets of its own. The Chan market is right in front of the district office of Chan. So the floating markets always open in the morning. As I told you that it starts some as early as 4 a.m. There is hectic trading amongst the vendors, buying and selling with the tourists till late in the morning. By about noon time, all the vendors, sellers. So all the vendors go to come back the very next day. Now, on the basis of our reading, we can go for making the things or the lines that are written as true and false. Read the sentences given below and say whether they are true or false. The first one is the vendors of a mobile market really do not need any shops to sell their goods. The vendors of a mobile market really do not need any shops to sell their goods. Mobile market कहले भ्राम्यमाण market जोटा गोटे जगह रे स्थिर भाबरे नाही बोली कि बिकुचंदी जो vendors मान समान पई दुकान के दरकार नाही. Obviously the sentence is true. Second, the Talat Nama open in the mid morning and close by evening. এটা তো গলত. সকালে ভোর 4 am ରୁ ଆରମ୍ଭ ହେଉଛି ଏବଂ midday तक ସରୁଛି ଅତେ এটা false ହେବ. Then next line, if one wishes to buy fresh flowers, one must go to the floating markets. True. These floating markets are often quite noisy places. True. As people or tourists throng, the line is written like that. Tourists can buy handicrafts of cane and the local dress materials from these floating markets. It be true. Going to these colorful markets gives you no idea about the traditional marketing system of Thailand. False. Then rest baki data se data true achi. If one wishes to see the Talatnam is in full swing, one needs to get off early and go there. If there are so many floating markets, then there must be many canals or rivers in Thailand. Obviously eta sata kotha tie. So ethre jo dita 8 line achi totally exercise true and false re line 2 and line 6 are false. Baki 6 lines are true. Beautiful vocabulary setup is there. Market things, mobile, match. The words are given, and the next is column B is about the meanings. First one, mobile. Mobile कहबा लागुन दरकार पड़िबो. Mobile रो meaning उसी पाइबा. Not fixed to a place. जोटा move करूची और mobile रो अर्थ आउटे ये mobile ले करू. Not fixed to a place. जोटा कोटा जगह रे fix नहीं. पे मोबाइल फोन्स को मैं भ्राम्य भाषा बोली कहूँ. बुलुथला बेले पॉकेट रखी जोट चाहिए सेटिक नै कि जाई परिबा. So survival. Now you corporate survival, the state of continuing up to live or to exist. Hectic activities. See, guess the meaning. Hectic activity, a lot of movements and action. So match A with B. You can quite easily find that. Now your grammar. So thematically, it is based on marketing and terms. See, buying, selling, trading, bargaining, hawking, dealing. All are the market terms, and you have to complete the fill in the exercise in given in number 2, page number 24. So the natives on the island sometimes come to the shore, trading their handicrafts for items of daily use. This is a very popular market for the common man, and often there is a lot of bargaining before a deal is struck. Market basically जोटा basically ways it होची bargaining, and nowadays one can find people hawking different kinds of things to the motorists waiting at the traffic lights. आजिकली ये जो कथाटी होची मार्केट रे हमें जो बाजार को जीवा से बाजार रे जो बस स्टॉप अछि एटी पाखा किछि दुकानी अछंती जो माने ठेला रे जिंस बोली बोली करी बिक्री कर दोचंती लाइक वास ये लाइंस पडा अछि लाइंस पडा को जेमती बुझी परिबे जे अनुसार भात लगेबा को सहज होई परिबो. नेक्स्ट बेसिकली से जो सेकंड यूनिट अछि एटा टिपिकल गोटे थाईलैंड रो जो मूविंग मार्केट हला फ्लोटिंग मार्केट जोटा बोट ऊपर बसुची ताकू नै करी अछि ଏବଂ तादर जो ग्रामर कांसेप्ट अछि सेतरा गोटे पैसिव अछि पैसिव जो पैसिव स्ट्रक्चर अपन समस्त को पैसिव सेंटेंस जणा अछि इंग्लिश वर्ब मानकर दि प्रकार रो वॉइस अछि गोटे एक्टिव वॉइस अछि गोटे पैसिव वॉइस. पैसिव वॉइस सेंटेंस रे ऑन करा जे परिबो पैसिव वॉइस सेंटेंस रे जो काम बाबत हम कहउछु से काम ऊपर एक्शन ऊपर इंपोर्टेंस इज
sir. Hello. Hello.
Yes. Continue. आमे पैसिव सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर बाबत रे कथा होतले तो पैसिव जोटा अछि इंग्लिश रे इंग्लिश वर्ब्स मानकर दु प्रकार रो वॉइस अछि गोटे एक्टिव वॉइस गोटे पैसिव वॉइस. एक्टिव वॉइस रे हमें कोन करबा एक्टिव वॉइस रे द इंपोर्टेंस इज ऑन द डूअर ऑफ द एक्शन जे से कामटी करूची. सपोज हमें कहबा राम किल्ड रावण तो राम किल्ड रावण राम रावण को मारले इथरे एक्शन ता कहा द्वारा हला राम को द्वारा हला राम रावण को मारले राम हेले सब्जेक्ट सेंटेंस रो राम निजे जो कामटी करले राम रावण को मारिले तो एठी दुईटा कथा कहूची गोटे हला जे कला से कामटी से हला राम सब्जेक्ट तो सेंटेंस ता एक्टिव वॉइस रे अछि तो एक्शन हला कोन रावण को रावण मरिबाटा रावण निहत हेले तो रावण निहत हेले जो हम कहूछु रावण से सेंटेंस रे एक्टिव सेंटेंस रे जो भाव अछि से को ट्रांजिटिव भाव सकर्मक क्रिया कहबा सकर्मक क्रिया केमति हेतिबो भार परे हम गोटे ऑब्जेक्ट लगेथिबा जेमति एटी सेंटेंस अछि राम किल्ड रावण तो राम हला सब्जेक्ट किल्ड हला वर्ब रावण हला ऑब्जेक्ट तो रावण एपोर्ट को आसिकरी पैसिव वॉइस रे ऑब्जेक्ट ता सब्जेक्ट हे जिवो रावण तो जेतु वर्ब ता किल्ड अछि तेनु वाज हला रावण वाज किल्ड बाय राम. हमें साधारणतः बाय लगे कि सिखिछु एठी जोटा अपन माने एबे देखिबे जो कांसेप्ट अछि विदाउट ए एजेंट एठी पैसिव सेंटेंस रे एक्टिव सेंटेंस रो सब्जेक्ट ता पैसिव सेंटेंस रे एजेंट बोली कथि को होय छै तो बाय फ्रेज रे व्यवहार हुए बाय प्लस सब्जेक्ट लिखि कर जे तो व्यवहार करूछु ताको हमें एजेंट कहूछु. एठी हमें पैसिव सिखिबा जो पैसिव रे एजेंट लागिबो नाही अर्थात बाय फ्रेज लागिबो नाही तो बाय फ्रेज हमें केते बेले लगेबा नाही से कहूची the sentences are in the passive voice we add a helping verb to the participle according to the tense indicated that shows the that is shown or pattern has been made करिबा किंतु ता परे हम केतले लगेबा नाही now when the door is not known हम जो जानि न कामोटी कहा द्वारा करा गला जेमति एठी को कहली जो एग्जांपल देली राम रावण को मारले तो रावण राम को द्वारा निहत हैला हमको जे करता जे मारिले रावण को हमें जणा अछि जे राम मारले अते जतबेला हमको जणा नाही से गुटे जणे एक्शन टे करिछि कि से कामटी करिछि से कते तो हमको जणा नाही सेतबेला हम पैसिव स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ वर्ब्स लगेबे पैसिव वर्ब्स लगेबा व्हेन these are multiple duels जो तळे करिवे विलेजर्स करिवे आमे लोक माने करिवे जेंति हमें कहि परबा गोटे सेंटेंस पर वी कॉल गांधीजी बापू आमे गांधीजी को बापू बोली डाकू आमे कहली कोन सब भारतीय माने तो गांधीजी इज कॉल्ड बापू गांधीजी को बापू बोली डका जाय कहले इंडिया रे डाकू समस्त डाकू कोन कहबा दरकार नै जोटी माने जतबेले एक्शन बा डूअर्स कहले सब्जेक्ट माने जो कर्ता माने जो माने कामटी करूचंती जतबेले से माने बहुत बेसी जण रहबे ताले हमकु बाय द पीपल by the villagers by us by them by somebody by someone by everybody by everyone एमती करबा दरकार नै से गुडा obvious subject होता से करबा नै जोटा जहार नेचुरल ड्यूटी जेमती पुलिस चोर धरिबा तो पुलिस चोर जो धरिबो पुलिस चोर को धरला पुलिस रो सेटा obvious ड्यूटी तो by the police करबा दरकार नै the thief was caught तो So, basically, passive structure we have to go for that the subject plus verb plus subject. The transitive verb structure, active sentence S plus V plus O. The sentence structure will be S plus V plus O or S plus V plus O plus O. Passive. When we turn it into passive, the sentence will be object of the active sentence will be the subject of the passive sentence.
ସାର୍ ପେଜ ନମ୍ବର କହନ୍ତୁ ଦେଖା ଯାଉନି ମତେ କୁଆଡେ ଅଛି ପେଜ ନମ୍ବର କହି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଟିକେ
27
थैंक यू सर
page number 27
हो सर थैंक
we regret to inform you that a mistake has been committed. We assure you that it shall be rectified as soon as possible. The thing is exercise in this exercise what you will have to do, you will have to think it that it is obvious duty or the doer is not known, so the verbs you have to put it in the passivized form where you do not need an agent like that. For example, Ram killed Ravan, Ravan was killed by Ram, so agentship is not necessary. But here example in the example given example the example that I gave you, it is known that Ram has killed Ravan, but in some cases as I told you that the action the person who are involved in the doing that action are not known or are many or are obvious. Basically as the duty the government has repaired the road has been repaired by the government is not necessary. So when we do not have to use the agents, and with this we come to the close of your second unit, and now the third unit, people at work. Very often we have to describe when you are in schools. I think all of you have described given a description about your mother essay. You might have written your essays on your mother, your headmaster, your class teacher, the person you like most, the person you admire most, the person who has influenced you in your lives. So this is that was a theoretical concept. You read you consulted one essay book, and most probably 2-3 essay books and very beautiful lines you picked it up and wrote it. But herein, as it is a functional English class, very often you need to describe your work also. When suppose if you ask me that I can tell you that I am now a counselor in IGNOU, so what actually we do, we go for this what I am now doing. So when I have to describe my job, I have to describe that I come and I see the students, their doubts, the books are given, I refer to the page number, etc. What involves the what forms the sentences. So what actually I have to do? Very often you need to describe a person at their work, and in this unit we introduce you a description of a TV anchor, TV news anchor, and his name is Sahil Dey, and Sahil Dey works for CBRC TV station. He has a cool job as a TV news anchor, and he describes his job as exhilarating and demanding. Is how CBRC news anchor Sahil Dey describes his job. Dey has a BA in communications with an emphasis in broadcasting. While at college, he worked as a sportscaster, and at a tiny low-powered TV station. Then worked 3 years at a small ABC affiliate as an anchor reporter and morning show host. Sahil Dey is currently at CRBC TV in Jaipur city as morning news anchor and field reporter. So a day in the life of day, a day in the life of, that is a heading, life of day. How Mr. Day, day's daily routine, you can say. Day is off. You see, day gets off in the normal line, but day is off at 3 a.m. At work by 3:45 to look over scripts for the day. Look over to have a quick read. It's a phrasal verb. Look over. Phrasal verbs are the verbs where you will find one root verb is given along with one preposition or adverb particle is added to give you a complete new meaning. Look has its definite meaning. Over has its definite meaning. Look over as a phrasal verb means to have a quick read. Jaldi padhe pakaiba. So phrasal verb is a verb that gives you a root verb is there and a particle of adverb or preposition is added to give you a complete new meaning. पूरा एक नया मीनिंग कभी कभी आ जाता है, उसको फ्रेजल वर्ब बोलते हैं हम. एक रूट वर्ब रहेगा, उसके साथ एक प्रीपोजिशन या एक एडवर्ब पार्टिकल रहेगा एंड द लिटरल मीनिंग, जो मीनिंग रहेगा, मतलब जैसे लुक ओवर. ओवर का मतलब आप सबको पता है, लुक का मतलब भी पता है, लेकिन लुक ओवर एज ए फ्रेजल वर्ब you will find it means quick reading. जल्दी में थोड़ा आंख से पढ़ना मतलब. So to look over the scripts for the day at 4:30 a.m. he spends 15 minutes in the makeup room and at 4:45 a.m. he begins his newscast with a live teaser and then he broadcasts live news from 5 a.m. to 7 a.m. After the morning broadcast, he goes out on an assignment and reports live stories from 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. I also do special projects, investigative, consumer and health reports. There are stories with a local angle. What they has to say about the advantages of his job. I get to go to cool places and meet politicians and celebrities, and the general public doesn't usually get to me. The downside of his job, see, you don't have a normal life. You work weird hours and holidays, get up in the middle of the night, go to bed early, and are away from your family a lot. The minus side of the TV anchoring job, what is Day is up to, what he would like to change about his job. Move the morning show to 9 a.m. Seriously, we tend to do more blood and guts stories, and I would like to do more feel-good stories. Feel-good stories, encouraging stories. So if, as a field reporter, they reports things that his family and his other interests. I have 2 young kids and a great wife, and we like to check out different restaurants and travel. I also play volleyball. So when we are describing a person, we have to go for who he or she is, what he or she does, what he or she likes, his or her dislikes, his or her hobbies, personal preferences, whether he is satisfied with the job he or she is taking up or not, and what the job demands from him or her, and some typical interview questions. All this is written, and thereafter at the back there is an interviewing session. Most of the times you have seen the celebrities are called to the TV and they are asked a lot many questions. It is to give you an idea that how you can conduct an interview. अगर आपके सामने कभी कोई नया आदमी आ जाता है तो आप उसको क्या पूछना, सेलिब्रिटी है, आप उस जैसे बनना चाहते हो, लेकिन वो कैसे करता है आपको. We have a secret desire to go for. ଆମେ ସମସ୍ତେ ଯାହାକୁ ମନେ ଗୋଟେ ଲାଇକ୍ କରୁଛୁ, ଏଡମାୟାର କରୁଛୁ, ଆମେ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଗୋଟେ ଇଚ୍ଛା ଥାଏ ଯଦି ସେ ସାମ୍ନାରେ ପହଞ୍ଚି ଯାଆନ୍ତେ ଆମେ ତାକୁ କଣ ପଚାରିବା. So this is in a way preparing you for that particular matter. You can take an interview, or you very often if you may Lord sign upon you that you can be at great places and you will be giving your interviews. People will be coming with the, you have seen the booms, the microphones, and they will be asking, so what would you like to say? These are the things, and the typical beautiful part of it is that you have to describe yourself here, because till now जो डिस्क्रिप्शन आप लोग दे रहे थे वो था बुक का लिखा हुआ योर ग्रैंडफादर, टीचर, क्लास टीचर, हेडमास्टर and some sort of places. So there you have borrowed lines, printed lines तेला से ऐसे बहरे वो लिखा हुआ था, आप उसको उठा लाए लिख दिए बस. तो इठी you will have you will get one idea that how you can quite easily frame the questions that comes to your mind. So जो टीवी पे आ रहे हैं वो लोग कितने बजे उनको आना होता होगा. You see, so he gets up at 3:45 and within 45 minutes by completing his daily work, so he joins the station. He has to go for the work and a hectic schedule or a busy schedule, very busy schedule. But we feel happy that काश हमें थोड़े टीवी रे बाहर जाऊं. तो टीवी रे जो माने बाहर जाउछन्ती सेमानकर भी माने they have to do a lot of work, lot of chords and texts that they are very often the live shows there they do not have. You have seen the Janamancha, Bitarka type of programs being telecasted on TVs. There you will find the anchor has nothing to do. The two opposite parties very often they fight. The severity of fight is that the anchor is repeatedly requesting, please and please, your time is over. I am coming to you. ଆପଣ ପାଖକୁ ପୁଣି ଥରେ ଫେରୁଛି, ମୁଁ ଆସିବି କହିବା ସତ୍ତ୍ୱେ they go on. Once they get the mic, they go on speaking and speaking. And at that case, if the anchor is very smart enough, he switches over to the next question or he asks a very odd question. All of a sudden, there you have to apply your ready weight. से जो एंकर जे अच्छे से जितनी रेडी वेट रो लोक हेतु जितने शीघ्र चेंज कर दी पड़ुची बट ए ऑड सिचुएशन को ही कैन बी सेट एंड नोबडी टीचेस दैट सिचुएशन अगर ऐसे हो जाता है आप ये करना. You have to think that particular thing. So this beautiful part, the beautiful unit में जोड़ा 3 नंबर चैप्टर में कथा होचु. So सेटा होची वर्क प्लेस रे गोटे पीपल गोटे लोकर वर्क प्लेस को डिस्क्राइब करबा एंड as usual गोटे comprehension passage अछि अपन पई तापर क्वेश्चन अछि and thereafter the vocabulary. ए जो vocabulary अछि vocabulary गोटे बढ़िया मैप अछि एट पेज नंबर 38. The world of news reporting संगरे जोड़ा हेतबा किछि वर्ड्स अपन को देखि दबा कथा सेटा पेज नंबर 38. The world of news reporting एथरे जो तीर चिन्ह माने अछि से तीर चिन्ह रे जनरली कोन वर्ड्स हम रिलेट करि परिबा that you have to go for. Report जोटा world of news reporting साहिल दे जो हमें जहां कर लाइव स्टोरी पढिले डेली रूटीन पढिले at page number 35. So what he does, all the arrow marks suggest the criteria of his work. 1, morning shows host, is a reporter, field reporter. He was the sportscaster. He is now the news anchor. This a TV station. He worked at a TV station. He did internship with ABP News, and now the number 2, second part is you see the words, match the words in column A with their meanings in column B. Exhilarating, most excited, exhilarating, promising and exciting, most promising and exciting. And towards the end of this chapter there is the answer to this question. You can quite easily get that, or you consult one dictionary that will help you to go for that. Now writing descriptions, you got the descriptions over there. You read about the floating market of Thailand and you got what you have to write. Now in the writing section you find the photos are given about the markets, about people coming and asking for, so the things giving by your own examples. So the examples that you have in the previous chapter, you read that and try to copy some lines of marketing herein, and then you can quite easily write all these things. Again, as I told you in look over, so the grammar portion is about phrasal verbs. Let me tell you what phrasal verbs are in great details. As the name suggests, it's a phrase. It's not a single word verb. A phrasal verb is not a single word verb like go, come, turn, etc. It is like a two-word verb, or it is a phrase. It is like a phrase, so that is why the name is called phrasal verb. The word phrasal has come from the root word phrase. Phrase root phrasal ହେଇଛି ସେଥିରେ there is one root verb. Suppose come, the word is come, and you apply round. Come round means being able to cure. The patient is coming round means getting recovered from an illness. Fall, you know the meaning. Fall ମାନେ गिरना, पड़ी जीवटा ହେଲା fall. Out ମାନେ ବାହାରେ. Fall out ଯେତେବେଳେ phrasal verb ହିସାବରେ ଆମେ ୟୁଜ କରୁଛୁ, fall out ଦୁଇଟା ଯାକ ମିଶିଗଲା ପରେ ଗୋଟେ ନୂଆ ମିନିଂ ଆସିବ. ସେ ମିନିଂ ର ଅର୍ଥ ହେଲା quarrel. The two friends have fallen out. ସେ ଦି ଜଣ ସାଙ୍ଗଙ୍କର ପଡୁ ନାହିଁ, କଜିଆ କରୁଛନ୍ତି, ସେମାନେ କଳି କରିଛନ୍ତି ଦି ଜଣ ପରସ୍ପର ସାଙ୍ଗରେ କଥା ହଉନାହାନ୍ତି. So ସେଟାକୁ ଆମେ କହିପାରିବା the two friends have fallen out. So phrasal verbs are typical verbs that bring and out. So bring माने आनिबा, out हैला बाहर को out. So bring out दी जन जाको मिसला करे गोटे phrasal verb होबो. जो phrasal verb रो मीनिंग होबो पब्लिश करबा, गोटे लेखा हैला, गोटे फोटो हैला, ये हैला पब्लिश करबा, छापीबा. So very activities are given. Two of the activities are given in list A and list B. Some set of phrasal verbs are given in page number 42. Page number 42 रे दीटा क्वेश्चन दिया जायछि phrasal verb रो गोटे करी गोटे मीनिंग अछि जहा संगे जुड़ा है कि सेंटेंस बने पय कहछि. जेमति फर्स्ट रो अछि गो ऑफ, एंड सेटा को हम हॉलिडे संगे लगे करी गोटे एग्जांपल दिया जायछि. एवरी summer I go off on a holiday in the hills. सेमती जो एपटे बाकी जो 10टा रहला से 10टा चेक आउट, स्टार्ट आउट, टेक बैक एमती करो. तापर मीनिंग अछि जो वर्ड्स हम ता संगे नै परबा. जेमती गोटे कांसेप्ट म को गोटे दे एग्जांपल दे परबी. गेट ऑन कहले गेट ऑन हला गोटे गुड रेपुट रे रहबा, हैविंग ए गुड रेपुट, गुड रिलेशनशिप रे रहबा. सो आई गेट ऑन वेल विथ माय मदर. मोर मान संगे रिलेशन ता भारी बढ़िया. So I get on well with my mother. So you have to go for using these type of very short sentences. And in number 2 you will have to use the phrasal verbs given there in the blank spaces, and you may have to change it according to the tense. I am in the starting work of businesses. Suppose business is looking up. A business is now I am looking for, look through, look over. Look over का example the passage Sahil Ray का passage रे थिला. So these two exercises on phrasal verb will give you a better idea rather what phrasal verbs are and how you can use. By using phrasal verbs you can make your writings attractive or catchy for others. And this is the last chapter, unit 4, the smell of food. This is a very beautiful concept, the smell of food, how actually we learn language. How we actually learn our language is written here. Very often we learn a language, by seeing a TV program, a play, or नाटक जो ड्रामा जिसको हम बोल रहे हैं. तो ड्रामा एक scene, एक short play is given. A very beautiful story is given about a friend in Kashmir and a friend in Punjab, and having special reference to food. So when a guest comes to our home, we try to give very uh, so you can say very beautiful dishes, new and tasty dishes are made for our guests to actually create an impression, or so that he can remember us for long the treat that we have given. It is the first ever drama that is there, the play. On a play, it has got 3 scenes, and it is about Mullah Nasiruddin. Is a very जैसे अकबर बिरबल का कहानी होता है, तो मुल्ला नसीरुद्दीन एक वेरी कॉमिकल फीचर, मिडिल ईस्ट का कोई भी कंट्री को, शायद कोई किसी कंट्री को मिडिल ईस्ट का वो बिलोंग करते थे, एंड ही इज वेरी नोन, वेल नोन फॉर हिज रेडी वीट, एकदम very beautifully. So one day it happened so that a person went to a bazaar. So while he was passing by the bazaars, one of the hotels, he got to have the smell of the beautiful, say, lachili, the tasty, flavorous biryani that was there being made, kebab, rather the word has been used here is the kebab. So he smelled it, as he was from a village setup. So he smelled the kebab, but the owner of the shop was very clever, like a very cunning, rather we can say, like a jackal. But dhurt आदमी धूर्त, वो था बहुत चालाक था. Seeing that the person is from a village setup, he said that as you smelled my kebabs, you have to pay. So he said that I have no money today, I will bring it tomorrow. As he was going, he came upon, वो रास्ते में से मुल्ला नसीरुद्दीन इसको मिल गए, बोले कहाँ जा रहे हो? Sir, I am going to, I went to the shop there, I only smelled, I never ate, I never ordered for even. As I was going, passing by the way, the smell from the kitchen was so flavorous that I did not help smelling. So, but the owner of the shop says that he will take money from me, and he threatens me to take to the Kaji the very next morning. So Mullah said, okay, take me with you. I will be there with you, and I will plead for you. And the poor man got solace, comfort मिल गया उसको. मुल्ला नसीरुद्दीन जाएंगे उसके साथ. He felt happy. बहुत बढ़िया तक बड़े आशा है जे नहीं मुल्ला नसीरुद्दीन निज आड़ू सजेस्ट कर ली. Okay, for see herein we have a very technical problem. It is the weather is not suitable. So this part, unit 4 of this book will be discussed tomorrow. Okay. हाँ कल यार ठीक है, कर दे